joining us. My name is Coda with Defy the Grid Gold and Silver, and today I'm introducing a new product that we have in stock. It's called the Double Divisible Silver Round. Now, why is it called the Double Divisible Silver Round? It's because it is scored on both sides deep enough so that you can break off quarter-ounce pieces of silver by hand and not need any special tooling to do so. Now, where did this idea come from? It came from the colonists, believe it or not. They weren't allowed to mint their own coins, and so they had to wait for coins to come from Britain, and that often took way too much time, especially with how things were going in the colonies. So what they did was they adopted a lot of foreign currencies. One of the most popular ones was the Spanish dollar. The Spanish dollar they divided into 8 pieces, and they called it pieces of 8, where when they wanted to buy products, maybe produce, clothes, they were often responsible for bringing their own change and paying with exact change. If they didn't, like let's say a pair of pants costs half an ounce of silver and they gave them a full silver. Well, with the pieces of 8, they could easily divide it into half and give exact change or come awfully close to that. Now, some of the pros to this is this coin or round has a lot more utility than, let's say, a silver bar, 1 ounce silver bar, or 1 ounce silver round without the divisible scores. So another benefit or pro to this is that what you're paying for, the manufacturing costs, it's about the same as buying a 1 ounce silver round. The premium is a lot lower compared to buying, individual quarter ounce divisible round or quarter ounce rounds, because it only takes 1 strike from the mint to make this. Whereas if you buy 4 quarter ounce rounds, that's 4 strikes right there. That's wear on the machines, and of course they have to make their money too. Now another pro, which I was kind of on the fence to this, but these are awfully fun to divide. It's so pleasing to divide these into pieces. I mean, I have a bunch here, and I probably would have divided the entire tube if I didn't stop myself. Now we get into the cons. Initially, when these were first minted, the clearances between the 2 coins was a lot more narrow. So these scores that you see here, there was a lot less metal between them, and they could easily break off, be easily broken off into quarter ounce pieces. But the problem with that was they went through 6 or 8 dies, because when you have that small of a clearance, the dies end up breaking a lot more frequently, and that's not very cost advantageous to the mint doing that. So what they did was they increased the amount of metal between the scores, and it makes it a little bit harder to break, but the benefit to that is it's not going to break apart in your pocket, and you'll only divide it when you really need it. But let me go ahead and show you right now how we divide these. So it usually helps if you use the edge of a table, and then you bend it just a few times, making sure the scores are on that edge of the table. So right here. So there you go, you got 2 halves, and then there you go, there's the quarters, and that is the Double Divisible Silver Round. We are one of the few distributors that sell these, and again, if you go to silver and 1 ounce silver rounds, or even quarter ounce silver rounds, you'll be able to find these, and they're very close to the price that we sell other silver rounds for. So hope to see you there. Comment on this video. I try to answer every single comment that's on there. If you have questions, or go to our website and you can contact us easily there too. Thank you for watching.